All right, hello everybody. My name is Brandon Wilson, and I posted my presentation last night, but um, the audio was not working, so here I am again. Um, but this is my presentation. So my job description is a marriage and family therapist. Marriage and family therapist helps families deal with relationship and behavioral issues, seeks to modify perceptions and behavior, as well as improve communication among families in crisis, counsels families by asking questions to help them identify feelings and behaviors, and then collects the information using techniques such as testing, interviewing, observation, and discussion. Some of the duties of a marriage and family therapist. A marriage and family therapist helps guide clients through crises, just as mentioned before, such as divorce or death. Or maybe even like if someone's going through a personal issue that they feel like they might need help with. Another duty and responsibility is to diagnose psychological disorders, highlight problematic patterns that need to be changed, enhance communication, and help clients to address dysfunctional behaviors by replacing them with constructive actions, provide confidentiality, and ensure professional competence and integrity. I think all of these responsibilities are very, very important, especially confidentiality for the clients. If they don't feel like their content is being kept confidential, then I don't I don't feel like they would feel confident coming to me as a therapist. The required education is a master's degree in marriage and family therapy or a related mental health field, and a license is required if you would like to practice. How does my degree relate to psychology, and why psychology? So a degree in psychology can help me become a marriage and family therapist by allowing me to better understand behaviors and ways to help those with unwanted behaviors. So I also believe that a degree in psychology can help me as well. I know that being a counselor can sometimes take a toll on the counselor itself, and knowing, I guess, who I am and how to deal with those behaviors and these situations can help me to be a better counselor. So that's one reason I chose psychology. Reasons I want to major in psychology, in comparison to the reasons listed in chapter 13. So I have a strong interest in psychology. I just find it super interesting and I love learning about it. I want to become a professional social worker. I want to understand myself better, just as I mentioned a little bit before. And I also really want to help people, and I feel like I can do that better through a psychology degree. And that's my presentation. Thank you for watching.